Hello everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to convert a lat-long table to a shapefile in QGIS. So as you can see here, there are three fields available. One is lat, one is long, and one is place name. So these are the information which is available. You can see here the values, lat-long values is present with the place name. So we are going to see how to convert it into a shapefile in QGIS using QGIS. So now, in order to convert this into a shapefile, first we need to change the file format. So go to the option File and go to the option Save As, and here just select the option Browse, where you can change the file type. So you can see the option Save As Type. Just click here, and here we need to select the CSV, delimited. And now just save. It's asking to replace, so I'm going to give a new name. So let me give lat long 1 and just save it. So now I have successfully converted the Excel file, that is Excel workbook file, to a CSV file. Now we just have to open it in the QGIS. So as you can see here, this is my QGIS. I'm just opening a new template. And once we have opened the QGIS, now you can see here open data source. Just click here, and now we can find the option delimited text. So now we need to just browse the file here. So we have saved it as lat long 1. Just click open, and after that come down. Now you can see the geometric definition, where first we need to select the X field as longitude and the Y field as latitude. So it is vice versa. And finally we have to select the geometry, approximate geometry. So I'm using WGS 84, and here you can find the lat long information which we have put it in the Excel. So that will be shown here. Now just click on the option add, and it will be automatically added to the display, as you can see here. So it has been successfully converted to an location based file. So it is showing us the location spatially. Now we need to go to the option lat long. This is the lat long 1 file which we have converted. Now just click here and go to the option export and select the option save feature as. So here we need to select the format. There are a lot of format available, so we are going to go with the ESRI Shapefile, and we need to give a name for it. Or you can directly first select the location where it can be saved. So just finally we need to just give a name for it. So I'm just giving locations and just save it. Here we can specify the coordinate system for it. So I am going to just leave it in the default WGS 1984. And now we need to go to the option OK. So now you can see here it has been successfully converted into a shapefile. So this is the shapefile which we have converted from an Excel sheet to shapefile we have converted using QGIS. So let us have a base map to it. So to check it whether it's coming correct or not. So I'm going to use the OSN standard, and you can see here. So it has been successfully converted into a shapefile. From Excel file we have converted into shapefile. So if you have any doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.